Yeah, man. Pauly Shore, ATL. I am back in with the check-in. Look, these are all my ingredients needed for this process. I got butter. I got Land O'Lakes heavy whipping cream. I got olive oil. I got Morton salt. I got Tony Saturains. I got an herb blend. I even have gourmet garden minced garlic. You guys, in this recipe, I have crab meat. I got Parmesan cheese. I got spinach. I got snow crab legs. And I got the main feature of the show, a whole Maine lobster. Pauly Shore ATL. You guys, I'll see you in just a minute. Later.